Business owners, you're the reason your business is failing because you're missing these two things. Number one is lead generation. Your most important activity is to make sure that you have leads coming in from 1 to 2 to 3 different resources. They have to be enough leads coming in so that your closing rate percentage pays you enough to pay your expenses, to pay you what you're worth, and to add a profit at the end of it. Most business owners that I speak with, you're not generating enough leads. What you have to do is you have to double or triple your efforts, or you have to find different resources. But think about using leverage. Who could bring me more than one lead, right? Or who could I collaborate with that could bring me a bunch of leads? Look for those strategies as much as you do the outreach that you're doing yourself. The second thing you need to do is you have to have a pricing formula in place. You got to have a strategy that covers all your expenses, it pays you what you're worth, and adds a profit percent at the end of every single transaction. If you're not doing that, you're guessing your pricing, and it doesn't always work out, as you're finding out. So put these two things in place. Make sure, if you don't have a pricing formula, I created one. It has a custom-made calculator. You can reach out to me. I can fill you in on what it takes to do that. But you have to price for profit, and you have to generate enough leads to make sure that you're in business.